Hello you guys, so we're gonna discuss the parts of the flower. Let's start with the middle part here, which is the female part of the flower. It's called the pistil, and it is made up of three parts, which is called, the first part is called here the stigma, then the style, then the ovary. You see here the stigma is the upper part of the pistil. This is the word pistil, right? Which is the female part. So the stigma is the upper part of the flower and it's usually sticky. And the middle part is called the style and the lower part is called the ovary. Now remember that the ovary has inside small parts are called ovules. I'm going to show them to you later in this presentation. Now the stamen, this is the male part. Now I want you to notice that the word stamen has the word men in it. This is one way for you to memorize the word stamen. So the word stamen means the male part of the flower. And in this flower, we have 4 stamens. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And each stamen is made up of 2 parts. You see the upper part here, the yellow part, is called the anther. And the part that is holding the anther, it's called the filament. Okay? So anther and filament make the stamen. And remember, stigma, style, ovary make the pistil. Now anther and filament, both of them together make the stamen, which is the male part. In here, I want you to remember that in the anther, we find the pollen, which is the powder found in the flower. Now, these are all of the parts of the flower combined. So again, stigma, style, ovary make the pistil, and anther and filament, when we have pollen in the anther, make the stamen. Now, this is the picture that I showed you earlier with the more parts of the flower that you're responsible to know. So again, this middle part, the orange part, is the pistil of the flower, and you can also call it the carpel. And the pistil again is made up of the stigma, which is the sticky part, the style, and the ovary. And you see here inside the ovary we have ovules. You see the word ovules. Now in this particular flower we have 6 stamens. Again, the upper part here is called the anther, and the part that is holding the anther is called the filament. Together they make the stamen, which is the male part of the flower. Now, of course, you see the pink part, which is the petals. We have here 4 petals, and usually they are colorful to attract insects and animals. And in case the flower doesn't have colorful petals, with bright colors, I mean, then the petals will have a strong scent or smell. Now, under the petals, there are the sepal, which is those green parts that hold the flower when it is still a bud. And again, the receptacle, this part is the thing that holds everything in place, and this is where the bees and the butterflies come to suck the nectar from the flower. And the pedicel down, it is the part that supports the flower, and it's the beginning of the stem. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much.